It's Valentine's Day weekend, and Mike and I have another date night. Yay! It's date night, and we are at the Northwoods Inn. I've never been here before. It's a first for me. And there's about an hour and 15-minute wait, so we are at the bar. Got our drinks there. Mike is taking our drinks outside. Just want to get a video of how cool this restaurant is. It's very crowded. It's Saturday night. Very rare date night. Still waiting for our table. It's been about an hour, but it's fine. It's Saturday night. We're expecting a crowd anywhere we go. Round 2 on our drinks. I got the Clearman's Tropical Punch, and Mike got his usual Bud Light. And we have a nice little lounge area in the inside. There's a beautiful fireplace, some red couches. Very nice here. This punch tastes good. Are you having fun? All right, we're getting seated now. Thank you. Which way do I want to face? This way? Nice. This is our beautiful table and the little room that we're in. Nice and cozy, dimly lit corner table with my sexy husband. Very thankful to get babysitting tonight. It's rare that Mike and I can go out like this. Our salads are here. And the cheese bread. So this is the split potato, because Mike and I split the meal. Look at how huge that is. Look at that potato in comparison to Mike's head. I really, really like the salad mixed together. And here's our gorgeous tomahawk steak. Just like our last date night, we are now resorting to retail therapy after eating a large meal. We're at IKEA. Trying to find a small couch for the girls' playroom, maybe some rugs. I'm looking for a nice rug for the dog's water bowl to catch the water. So yeah, nothing too crazy on our date night. Our meal, our delicious meal is the highlight, isn't it, honey?
Yes, it is.
And then after that, it's just practical stuff that we usually don't have a lot of time to do when the kids are here. It's easier to do when the kids are at my parents'. Ooh, that's cute. I like that. That wreath. It's a year-round wreath for Southern California, where we live. Dry grass. Some storage bins. Those are cool. I like these. They have lids. IKEA has such cool stuff. I mean, I have to admit, their stuff is cool. Very practical. Very utilitarian. Even something like this. closing. We decided on the couch that we're gonna get for the girls, which is amazing. Thank God I measured. This is office storage. We need to find storage. So we're just gonna do a quick walkthrough, see if we can find something at last minute. They have a lot of cheap storage at IKEA, so if you want to buy storage, come to IKEA. We're just gonna make a mad dash through the store before we leave.